Today we're inviting you to a Christmas challenge. Yes, this is an invite to participate in a Dollar Tree Christmas ornament. So all you have to do is make 3 to 5 Christmas ornaments from the dollar store, and our upload will be available November 5th at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hashtag Quick and Easy Christmas DIY 20. Myself, Beck from Avery Home Search, will be hosting with 3 other wonderful ladies. Host Stacy, Styling with Stacy. Host Penny at Penny's Place. And CCW DIY Designs by CCW will be hosting. We hope to see you there, and make sure you make it an ornament to remember.